raised up in this room just a little while ago. No, I'm telling you, it was a sound like no other sound. It's a sound that broke through from the other side, a sound we've never played before. And the Lord told me something. He said, it's the sound of the millionaire. It's the sound of the millionaire. Somebody help me say that with me. It's the sound of the millionaire. It's the sound of the millionaire. It's the sound of the wealth transfer coming into the atmosphere. It's the sound of the wealth transfer coming into this atmosphere. It's the sound of the millionaire. Of the millionaire. Come on, y'all help me. The sound of the millionaire. It's a sound that can't be held down any longer. It's a sound that's going to break through. You have to remember, there's always a sound before the event arrives. There's always a sound has to come before the event arrives. And all the time I've played, all the time we've been doing prophetic music for so long, I've never heard the sound of the millionaire. I've never heard the breakthrough that came. Something cracked open from another dimension of time. And the Lord says, now it's a sound that's going to fill the atmosphere. And it's not going to be where you have to struggle and try, and you're worried and you're reaching and trying everything you can, because it's going to come very quickly now. It's going to come quickly. Of the millionaire. The sound of the millionaire. The sound of the millionaire. The sound of the millionaire. God is going to transfer the wealth to the hands of his people, so that after the catching away of the church, the tribulation, the beast has to begin broke. He can't begin with wealth. He has to begin broke. That's what it is. Broken woke. Get woke, go broke. Nobody wants to be woke after they find out they're broke. They were all on the woke wagon until they all jumped on the broke wagon. Woke and broke.